You're running a media campaign, and it's really important for your client that all different sources of media that come towards this page have a different number. I have a free script that I'm going to share with you that allows you to just install the Google Tag Manager, and with just a little bit of knowledge of JavaScript and more stronger knowledge of HTML, CSS, you can change the number on any page, a landing page, or if you don't have a specific landing page, it's going to be your whole website with the script. And just to prove it to you, here I have the campaign URL builder. Here's the website URL, and I'm going to change the number on this phone, on this website, based off the source being Google. So there we go. And as you're saying, we have the final number. Saves all the way here. Saves. If you click the link in my bio, it takes you to the phone script. All the changes that you need are right here in this config. Nothing else below that is important for you to change anything. The UTM parameter is what exactly do you want the script to listen to change the number. Any UTM parameter works, campaign, medium, source. Down here we have the CSS selectors that we'll look to. As you can see, you can add multiple different numbers for one CSS selector, which is pretty impressive. Then we got the fallbacks, which allows it to change if there is no UTM match, and then also a global fallback if there's nothing found in the selector defaults. Settings, you can persist it for 30 days. You can update links, set it to true, so that will change anything that's clickable, and that's a number. Dynamic content, that's only if you're doing for spot applications, but leave that for true and in debug mode. Very useful. But now we're just going to go and do raw, copy and paste all this. Now, that brings us to Google Tag Manager. So this right here will probably be the hardest part of this whole thing, but the real difficulty, in my opinion, comes with finding the HTML, CSS. So the first thing you want to do is set up a custom HTML tag, and then you're going to want to copy and paste this whole thing and put it right there. Then set this for all pages. Name this something that you'll remember. As the reason why it's for all pages is because this tag, the number's going to follow throughout the site. And then you click save. I already have this here, but just in case it's just your first time, I'll Google Tag Manager. So let me show you the change. Okay, so I want to look at phone number header, and then I'm looking at Facebook, Google, LinkedIn. All right. So phone number header, how do we find that? Well, and go to inspect selector. We have band class phone number header. Anyway, that's what that number is. And then we go back to the button click, phone insertion tag. We would change the number, yeah, and then we'd publish it. And then you go builder to work on setting this up for your campaign. And that's how this would be set up. And the link would change like it changed earlier in the video.